little transseasonal piece. This is the Zara skort. So it's a short, it's a skirt, it's pleated. And this is a Zara top too, actually. Do it with a loafer and maybe a blazer. This is Versify. There's a lot of beige going on, so having a fresh white. There's something a bit preppy about this skirt that I like. So sticking with blazers, very crisp, clean, basics. You can tuck the singlet in, and that just changes it completely. A grey cardigan to keep in with that preppy vibe. It's cute. It's a bit schoolgirl in a grown-up way. Daily label. Jacket. If you want to make it really sophisticated and dress it up a bit, this is beige top, so we're keeping in the beige family. Or you could even elevate it with a even more dressy top. A nice oversized knit. This one's by La Boheme Girls. Even an over the knee boot. Nice and warm.